Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my journey and how this can help you to start making money with YouTube. So this is how to make money on YouTube for beginners. Let's jump in. So there are many ways to make money on YouTube. Okay, so you have your AdSense and YouTube ad partner program. This is going to be the most common way. You're gonna go and see all kinds of different videos of people that are talking about creating faceless YouTube channels, running them on autopilot, YouTube automation, all those different keywords that you can go and actually outsource and have people create the videos for you. And all you have to do is just push the publish button. And you do your keyword research right, and then you can start making money that way. So that's just one way, but you don't have to do it with those types of channels. You can also do it more in a way that, like I do it, where I just record my screen, and generally speaking, I'm not on camera like I am in this video. It just, in my experience doing screencast tutorial videos, it doesn't really make a difference if the YouTube creator is showing their face in the lower right-hand corner of the video or up in the top right. It doesn't really matter too much. It doesn't really change watch time or anything like that, because really I go about it with educational tutorial type channels, and really people are just interested in what you're doing on the screen and you're teaching them how to do something, right? But AdSense YouTube ad partner program is definitely the kind of the main way that people think of making money online, where YouTube just pays you for having your YouTube channel, and they'll put ads on your videos, and then you make a certain amount of money, which is a CP. And then it just depends on what niche or market or category that you're in. Your CPM and your RPM will be different depending on if you're in a high money commercial niche. Then your RPM will be higher and you'll make more money per 1,000 views, right? But there's different ways too. I want to go through this, because then you can also do channel memberships. YouTube, I think it's been a year or two, but they've launched channel memberships where as you have your YouTube channel, you can create a membership and create different tiers, and your viewers or subscribers can go and sign up to the membership. They can pay anywhere from like $1 or $2 a month all the way up to $100 a month, and you get to keep 70% of that revenue as well. And you can offer all kinds of different perks with channel memberships. So that's another way that you can just tack on to the AdSense or YouTube ad partner program money that you're making on your channel. Then you have affiliate marketing, and this is where a lot of people that are new, they won't even really understand how affiliate marketing works and how affiliate marketing works with YouTube. But I can tell you right now that the bulk of the money that you will earn is with affiliating with products, services, your own courses, your own products. This is the one that's going to make you the most money, is affiliate marketing. And so that's where the traffic that you're getting into your videos is going to really come in handy, because they're going to be interested in what you have to offer. And you can just become an affiliate with a product that you already use or a product that you like. And all you're doing is just telling them about it briefly, and then sending traffic over to them. And then the ones that actually sign up and pay for the product, then you get a nice hefty commission for that. So affiliate marketing is definitely the most lucrative from my experience, and I'm pretty sure that goes to say for the most part, most YouTubers, affiliate marketing, merch. I didn't even put merch on here. Those kind of things are going to make the most money. It's really not going to be what YouTube pays you per views, right? And then selling your own courses, I kind of briefly mentioned on that, but eventually, if you're an expert in real estate, or you're an expert in fitness, or you're an expert at e-commerce or what have you, you're going to want to create your own course to teach people what you know and let people learn the way that you found success, right? And so selling your own courses, that's a really big one too. There's people on YouTube making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year just from selling their own courses. So keep that in mind. And then if coaching, again, the different industries, it's really popular in the fitness industry or real estate or something like that, or in business, where you're going to coach people to get more clients, to build their brand, to build their business. You can almost offer coaching in almost any industry. And so coaching is another thing that you can offer. And just keep in mind, there's a ton more. I just named a few right here, but there's a ton more ways that you can make money on YouTube. And you can make money on YouTube as a beginner. And I'm going to talk about that here in a minute in one of these next slides. But then also keep in mind that you can also do a combination of more than one of these. You could apply all of these if you really wanted to, and have several different avenues of income coming in from YouTube. Okay. So who am I? Okay, so I'm just a normal guy. As you guys can see, there's nothing real special going on. I'm just, want to teach you what I know over here. And I'm just a normal guy that wanted to be his own boss and start making money online. So I've always wanted to, once I graduated college and had to go out into the workforce and have had several jobs, I never felt quite like I found my place in my career, because I always wanted to do my own thing. I never really particularly liked having a boss and having someone else tell me and dictate what my schedule is going to be like every single day. And always rushing to be there on time, and to, they tell you when you can leave and when you can take lunch, and just all that, and then all the responsibility, even as I moved up into management and everything, it just was never that. It was just never something that I really enjoyed. And I'm sure a lot of you can relate with that. So my story goes in, and I had been working online and doing a side hustle for probably over the last 10 years. But really my story for YouTube and everything comes down to, in 2019, I took massive action on one of my YouTube channels. And once I got it to a few $1,000s per month, I went full time. So I was a corporate director. I had a team of 10 people working under me, and I helped manage over 13 different locations with my company. And in 2020, during the pandemic, it was like October 18th, 2020. I remember the day where I got to put my notice in. I reported directly to the CFO of the company. And I was able to step down and leave my job. And during a time where most people were losing their jobs, I was able to leave my nice, cushy day job to pursue my dreams to do this online. And you can do it too. You just have to take action and have a plan. So I got to say goodbye to my day job, and I haven't looked back. Honestly, I've just looked forward, and it's just grown, and it's just really exciting once you make that step and have that leap of faith, right? So my two main channels, I actually do have like 5 or more channels, and I could put more on here where I have other channels that I have made thousands of dollars on, but I didn't put those in here. The 2 main channels that really brought the success for me are LearnWire and Teach Me Money Methods. Obviously, if you're subscribed to Teach Me Money Methods at the time of this recording, then you're going to know my channel. And most of you are going to know that I also run LearnWire as well. It's a software review channel. And Teach Me Money Methods is where I kind of share everything that I know about making money online with you guys. But these are the 2 main channels that allow me to do this full time. Just wanted to kind of share that with you. So your channel, now I'm going to kind of just jump into the tips, the nitty gritty of actually how you're going to make money on YouTube. Okay. So your channel or audience does not have to be big. Okay. So this is important. A lot of you are like watching these huge prank channels or gaming channels, and every time they put out a video, they get millions of views. Well, guess what? There's actually people in the business. Like if this channel right here had 100,000 subscribers and was getting about 15 to 20,000 views per video, I would probably be making as much money as those other channels off of YouTube ad revenue. They get millions and have millions of subscribers because the RPM, right? It's very important. How much money advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views. And that changes drastically with like typically the niches that have millions of subscribers and millions of views per video, those RPMs are generally not big. They're not. So the niches that really have a lot of money involved with them have high RPMs, and you don't really need a whole lot of people subscribe to you or a lot of views to make it work, to make good money. So that is very important. I wanted to drive that home. So like I said, truly, you don't have to have a channel that has 100,000 subscribers or 1 million subs to make money on YouTube. So just make sure that you understand that, because I got started. And with on this channel, Teach Me Money Methods, if you all have been subscribed to me since the beginning, when I hit 500 subscribers, I made $13,000 in selling my own products and my own courses and affiliate marketing in just my first 6 months of doing it. So if that's not motivation, I don't know what is. You don't even have to have 1,000. I wasn't even monetized, and I still figured a way to make thousands of dollars on the channel, right? So I just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. So channel one, I just want to show you some proof right here. So channel one, my AdSense all time since 2020 is $7,000 right here, and has a really nice solid RPM at almost $18 right here. So that's channel one. And then we're going to come over here, channel one affiliate commissions last 12 months. And this is where it can blow your mind, because this channel actually only has like barely hit 4,000 subscribers. Let that sink in. This channel barely has 4,000 subscribers, not 50,000, not 20,000, not 100,000, 4,000 subscribers. And I cleared, over the last 12 months, I have made $107,000 on this channel alone. Okay. So really cool stuff there. Channel 2 AdSense, we're at almost $8,000 right here. And then again, a $17.75 RPM. So I've got some good RPM niches right here. And this is lifetime since 2019. When we come and look at here, channel 2 affiliate commissions right here. So I have around $21,400 that I've made. And there was multiple accounts as well that I could probably put on here, but I just wanted to put one of the big ones. And this is from Warrior Plus, when I was really big on Warrior Plus with one of these channels. And then this is just last year. I went ahead and took this snapshot. So almost 13,000. Or yeah, I guess it is 13,200 from the last year. Okay. So let's see here. So my formula is simple. Listen up, guys. Formula is very simple. Make helpful tutorial videos in a niche. So I'm going to tell you that you can go out and just teach people how to do something using your screen. All you need is a microphone. You don't even have to be on camera if you don't want to be, and you can still make this work. It's going to be about consistency and hard work. So make helpful tutorial videos in a niche. Not everybody's telling you to do this. They're telling you to go make faceless YouTube channels and then hire someone on Fiverr and then put all that together. But that's going to cost a lot of money, first off, to get that going. And there's a lot more risk involved, because you are spending 30 to 70 bucks per video. But in my experience, the more content you can get out there, the more chance you have of success. And when you're talking about $50 on average per video doing the other strategies that people are teaching you, it's going to add up quite a bit. You're going to be spending over $1,000 a month just to run your YouTube channel. And that's going to be before you're making any money on it, right? So there is definitely a risk there. But so my strategy that I would suggest as a beginner is to just do what I'm doing right now. Just make tutorial videos, right? Go check out some of my content. Go over to LearnWire, check out my content. Go over to Teach Me Money Methods if you haven't seen my videos before, and just go check out what I do. And you can go and do similar. You can apply what I'm doing to any niche that you're in or any knowledge that you have, and you can just go out and make easy tutorial videos to help people, help them answer questions for them. And then make money from YouTube ads partner program. That'll be one of the easiest things you can do after you get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, which, if you put in the hard work, I would say on average, it's going to take about 6 months to get there. Some people do it within a month, and sometimes it takes people a year. But in general, if you work really hard and you put three or more videos out per week, then you'll be able to do it probably in around 6 months. Affiliate marketing, of course, you're going to, along the way, you're going to want to apply affiliate marketing to your strategy so you can actually start earning before you even get monetized. Okay. And then it's simple, guys. Rinse and repeat. Literally, consistency, persistence is the name of the game. You've got to continue creating content in order to grow your business. If you create 10 videos and then you just let them sit, yeah, they're going to get some views, but then it's going to kind of die down. And that's just the truth. You're going to have videos that are just going to have a small trickle, and eventually the channel will just die. So it is something that if you want to consider it as a business and what you want to do for a living, then you need to consider being consistent and treating it like a real business. Okay. So right here, the most important tip that I can give is to take action. I've kind of already alluded to this, consistency, persistency, but really, you've got to take action. None of it's possible if you don't put your thoughts and desires into action. So if you have this little thought running in your head, several times a day while you're at work or something, if you already have a day job, or and you're just you know what you want, you want to do this, you've seen so many people, including myself, that are successful doing this, and you want to do it too. But then you need to take a step back and think, well, have I actually taken steps to do this? What am I doing to get closer to reaching this goal? Well, for most of you, you probably haven't even started your YouTube channel. You can't decide on the name or the colors or the logo or anything, right? You need to just get started, and all those little details. I'll share a little bit about when you go back and you look at my Teach Me Money Methods logo. I haven't changed that. And I've had the channel for 3 years now, and I designed that in Canva, and I designed it in 5 minutes. I just went and typed in teach under the elements section, and I saw this, young person, young man, or he's even like a kid, a teenager, if you will. And he's just teaching at a desk, right? And then I put Teach Me Money Methods in probably one of the basic fonts that they have. And that was it. And I chose yellow because I was thinking, okay, so like school bus, like a school bus is yellow, education, maybe one of the colors of learning is yellow. And that's it. I designed it myself. I didn't even hire someone on Fiverr. I didn't even pay someone $5 for my logo. And I made thousands and thousands of dollars from that channel. So if that doesn't motivate you to just go and get started, it doesn't really matter what your logo or your name is. You just need to get started making content. That's the big thing that's going to move the needle forward, is making content. Okay. So just want to say thanks. A quick video for you guys, but thanks. And if you want to learn from me, then go and check out my channels. Go to LearnWire. This is Teach Me Money Methods. Make sure to subscribe to the channels. Watch my content. I just do tutorial content. This one is going to teach you more strategies to make money. If you want to learn about software, you can go over to LearnWire, or if you just want to check out what I'm doing over there as well. But you can also check out my courses in the description. I have more courses coming out, but I do have about 4 or 5 courses. It'll just be a link in the description right now. You can go check out some of the different ways. I have other different ways too that I'm not even talking about over here that you can make money online if YouTube's not your thing. I have other methods as well. So I just want to say thank you for your time. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you found this somewhat motivational to go and get started on your YouTube journey. And the takeaway is go take action, get started, and create tutorial, educational type videos so you can create them. They don't take a lot of editing or anything like that. You just get to record them, boom, upload them, and then just keep moving on to the next topic and just keep going. All right. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.